Hey guys, what's up? Joe. Morning coffee. It's like my third video at the moment, and yeah, the coffee's already kicking in. Oh yeah. Um, sure. That was a thumbnail pic right there. Now, there's a lot of YouTubers out there that pretty much they do a good job in like letting how-to videos, how to edit, how to do this, how to that. There's plenty of those YouTubers out there that I do follow, right? And that I do learn a lot from, right? However, in this video, pretty much I want to point out like two YouTube channels that I follow that pretty much every time there's a new change that happens inside of Premiere Pro or in After Effects, pretty much they give you a rundown of all the new changes that happen in the update, right? So the first one I want to talk about is Cut to the Point, right? This guy, I'm not exactly sure where he's from. He speaks with an accent, but he does well to explain things regardless. So yeah, this video came out on May 19th, last month from making this video, and pretty much, he does like, what's new in Premiere Pro 14.2, Now recently, Adobe just made another update about like a few days ago for me making this video, right? So I'm pretty sure he's going to make another video, like an overview of what's new, right? Like what's inside Premiere Pro to help you understand the changes that they made, right? So yeah, this guy does a good job explaining what's new in Premiere Pro, right? So yeah, definitely give him a check out. Another YouTube channel that I watch that does pretty much the same thing, along with like showing you how to like, do other editing related stuff, right? But Cinecom.net, they come out with videos with like a certain like features inside of Premiere Pro that may not be just that known, to most people, right? So like they do videos on like that, features that are built in Premiere Pro they may not know about. So this is something that I was kind of interesting that I didn't know about inside of Premiere Pro. Like for the most part, when you see like the audio meter, right, you see like the spikes just on a bar, right? But there's something built into Premiere Pro that I didn't know about, where pretty much it gives you like almost like a wheel to show you like the audio levels. I'll show you really quick what he's talking about.
To a clip, we're going to apply it from the effects rack in the audio track mixer. Then go to special, and from there, loudness radar. Double click on it and let's first explore the settings. You want to set the target loudness to -16, which is ideal for web or YouTube. And the speed, you can set that to 1 minute. So when we go back to the radar, an entire rotation is 1 minute of playback. So let's play back our timeline. The radar will now visualize the loudness of that playback. Now where it peaks into the yellow, we know to mix down the volume in those parts. It's also very useful to see a difference between two recordings. If one is louder than the other, we will instantly see that in the loudness radar. So you can kind of see this as a vector scope or waveform, but then for audio.
For some that may be useful, right? And that's pretty cool. You're able to see like pretty much within that minute range of the radar or whatever. Like you can see if something spikes or whatever. That's cool, right? But again, there's like I said, stuff like that is built into Premiere Pro, but you don't know about. And like if someone like me can find that useful, then if by me watching stuff like this or from these guys, then I'll be like, oh, cool. You experiment with that, you can learn more, right? And I'll put links to all these channels I mentioned and whatnot. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope it helps. Take care and peace.